Hi everybody, Allie here for Scrap and Stamp. Today we're going to be making a very simple crisscross card. We're going to start our card today with the 12 by 12 snowed in paper pack from Echo Park. And we're going to start our card by making two top folding A2 sized cards with it scored at 5.5. And we're going to take both pieces of this card base and you're going to cut it on the diagonal from the score line right down to the opposing corner. And you're going to do that twice. So right from the score line, you line that up at one part of your trimmer, and the opposing corner, you're going to line that up and you're just going to cut. And you're going to get a triangle piece to part of your card bases. So we're just going to flatten out those folds. And you're going to make sure that your other one folds the opposite way. There we go. We're going to adhere both of these panels together so that those triangular parts actually crisscross in the front. So you're just going to put glue on one and place the other right on top and see how those pieces cross over the front. Perfect. All right, let's decorate it. You're going to cut a base for your triangles at 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and you're going to do the same. You're going to cut it from opposing corners to create two triangular pieces for those triangle pieces on the front of your card. You just have to flip it, and that's why this paper pack is so fantastic, because it's double-sided. You're going to create a backer piece, approximately 5 by 5 3/8 by at least 2.5 inches. It just has to come down a little bit, and it doesn't have to go all the way down to the bottom of the card. We're going to attach that to the inside of our card. There we go. It leaves just a slight border. Okay, let's add our triangles to their pieces. If they want to cooperate. Easy peasy. And add those, and they're going to also have a slight border around them. And triangle number 2. You can always use two different pieces of paper. It's just easier to cut it out of that rectangular base. There we go. Piece number 2. Okay, we're going to make the little slider card that goes on the inside. It is 5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And I'm just going to take my paper rounder and just round off 2 of those corners. We're going to take off that piece of score pal tape at the bottom, and we're going to put another one on the front of your triangle. You can decide which triangle you want in the foreground or you want to see the most of. It doesn't matter right or left. And we're going to tack that down. Now we're going to kind of make a belly band, but this belly band doesn't have to be removed. So you can actually attach it to your card. It's a 1-inch strip by 11 inches, so just a good old piece of standard 8.5 by 11 paper. And you're just going to carefully wrap it around, and it will not meet, but that's okay. We're going to cover up that joint. I cut 2 stitched circles, one with our base color of cardstock and a smaller one with another piece of our pattern paper. I'm going to add some foam to kind of the ends, and we're going to add that circle decoration right on that foam. I'm just going to glue down the decorative paper to our cardstock, and it's kind of like a pretty snowy night type paper. Okay, we're going to peel the backer off our foam pieces, and we're going to literally stick that combination circle right to the front. And again, this is decorative, so it's not holding anything apart or together. It's just all decorative. Now we're going to decorate that circle with our stickers, and there's some fantastic stickers in this paper pack. We have a set of mountains, a couple of pine trees, and then we're going to put on this super cute plaid deer. One more sticker to the front. We're just going to use this banner sticker that says Snow Magical. Again, stickers are so fantastic for decorating. I cut a small circle out of the same pattern paper as our decorative circle on the front, and we're going to score this so that it folds in half. So use your best judgment as to what halfway is. We're going to add a little bit of glue to that folded paper, and it's kind of going to be our pull tab for this, and you can put it anywhere along the top of that little card. As you can see, I also put another sticker on the card there, and this is just going to help you pull out that sentiment layer or whatever you're going to put to your recipient. And I chose to do it a little bit on the left hand side here instead of the middle. I'm leaving a little bit of the paper hanging over the edge as well, and that'll just make it easier to pull out. There we go, and she tucks on the inside. Fantastic. And we're going to put one little decorative snowflake sticker on, and she's finally finished. All you have to do is stamp a sentiment or write something to your recipient, and your card is good to go. Awesome. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment and give a thumbs up, and we'd love for you to subscribe. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.